with its sleek fastback design and spirited engine note. The 1969 Triumph GT6 stood as a British answer to affordable performance coupes, offering style, speed, and charm in a compact package. Often dubbed the poor man's E-Type, this model combined the graceful lines of the Michelotto-designed Spitfire with the punch of a six-cylinder engine. The 1969 version, part of the Mark II generation, housed a 2.0-liter inline-six producing 9.5 horsepower and 117 pounds-ft of torque, paired with a 4-speed manual gearbox. With a curb weight under 2,000 pounds, the GT6 delivered nimble handling and a surprisingly brisk driving experience. Unlike the underpowered Spitfire, the GT6 gave enthusiasts a stronger mid-range and better long-distance cruising comfort, making it a rival not only to British counterparts like the MG MGB GT, but also to entry-level European sports cars. Its rear swing axle suspension was refined in the Mark II to improve stability, addressing early criticisms. Historically, the GT6 carved its niche as a budget-friendly sports car with grand touring intentions, never reaching mass fame, but always respected for its mechanical honesty and distinct styling. In the future, the GT6's light chassis and classic proportions make it an ideal candidate for electric conversions, potentially evolving into a boutique retro EV while preserving the essence of spirited British motoring from a golden era.